Henry Hagg Lake is a beautiful place to visit in Washington County. The serene setting draws in about 1 million visitors annually for boating, picnicking, and cycling. Visitors access the park along the main road, West Shore Drive. Unfortunately, the park is also prone to landslides, which have caused severe damage on sections of the road around the lake. Washington County began a 3-phase project to rebuild the sections of road in July of 2015. The first phase included a landslide mitigation project, drainage improvements, and 2 culvert replacements. Phase 2 kicked off in the fall of 2017. We stabilized 3 landslides, replaced 3 culverts, upgraded guardrail, and completed paving. The second phase was completed in the fall of 2018. However, the work is far from over. Learn more about the Hagg Lake rejuvenation and find out when the 3rd and final phase is planned to begin by reading Washington County's fiscal year 2017-18 annual report, Partnering for the Future.